Dear children, welcome back to biology class. In the last class, we discussed about tissues, fetal cells, and stem cells. Now, today we are discussing what are the different types of animal tissues. Okay, first one, epithelial tissues. So what are epithelial tissue? Which covers and protects our body. Then what is the source of epithelial tissue? Actually, this epithelial tissue which lines or cover the inner wall of the digestive tract. And what are the functions of epithelial tissue? Which perform protection, absorption, and production of secretions. So once again, this is the structure of epithelial tissue, and which cover and protect the body, and which see in inner walls of the digestive tract. And the main functions of epithelial tissue: protection and absorption, and production of secretions. Protection, absorption, and secretions. Okay, next one, nerve tissue, which control and coordinate physiological functions. What are nerve tissue? Which control and coordinate all physiological functions: sight, smell, touch, all sensations. And moreover, enables to respond, identify the changes inside and outside the body. Okay, when the messages or all our memories are kept inside the brain, so brain is made up of nerve tissue, and spinal cord also made up of this nerve tissue. Okay, brain and spinal cord. All the sensory actions are controlled by this brain and about the nerve tissue. Okay, next one, muscular tissue. Okay, everybody know muscles. Okay, these muscular tissue consist of cells that can contract and regain the original state. It consists of cells that can contract and regain the original state. Then second point, what is the main function of the muscles? Movement of the body, which enable us to movement of the body. So this is the structure. Then what is the next one after muscular tissue? Okay, next is connective tissue. This connective tissue either connect different tissues or act as a support to them. Okay, either connect different tissues together, otherwise support them. So example for connective tissues are bone, cartilage, fibrous tissue, then blood, tendon and ligaments also coming under this example, connective tissue. Then actually, what is bone and cartilage? Which provides support, protection, and definite shape to the body. So bone, that is bone and cartilages in our body, or that connective tissue provides support to our system or our body part, and protection from internal organs like brain, okay, then heart, lungs, etc., and definite shape to the body. Fibrous tissue connect other tissues together. Then what about the last one? Blood carries out the conduction of material and makes the body resistant to disease. More example for connective tissues: tendons, which connect muscle to the bones; ligament, connect bones together; fibrous tissues hold eyes and kidneys in proper place. So what are the functions of role of bone and cartilage in our body? Movement and provide shape, support, and strength to the body. they cover and protect internal organs like heart, brain, etc. What is blood? It is fluid connective tissues which transport respiratory gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide and nutrients and providing immunity. So which is largest number in blood body? Connective tissue in largest number in our body. Thank you.